This YouTube channel has absolutely blown up, going from 0 to over 500k subscribers in 3 months. It is telling dark psychological stories and using the power of AI to get the attention of millions of viewers. These videos are actually insanely engaging, so I decided to make a tutorial about dark psychological shorts, showing you all of my secret methods. So why should you actually learn how to create these videos? This channel is making an insane amount of money. Dark manipulation is generating around 12k per month. So how are we going to do this? We're going to use this AI chat GPT, Leonardo AI, 11 Labs, Runway, and finally, we're going to put it all together with a bit of edit in CapCut. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. The first step is generating the script, and I'm going to show you 2 options to get the script. So option 1, go to ChatGPT, literally just type in, generate a script for YouTube Shorts about dark psychology and manipulation techniques, and here is your video script. If you don't like whatever it puts out, you can just hit try again. To do that, just hit this arrow button right here. The second way is a little bit controversial, but probably guarantees you to get views. So you go and find a video that's actually performed well. For example, we on the dark manipulation channel, click on Shorts and then on popular to get the most popular one. Like this one has over 9 million views. Go and copy the URL, and then you want to go over to DubDub and create a free account. Next, on the home page, you will find transcription, and then you want to paste the video link in there. And this will actually transcribe the video and give you the script. You just go copy text. And then you want to go over to ChatGPT and paste the script in here. Then you want to just say, can you reword this? So they will change the script slightly. So it's not literally just completely robbing them, but it takes the rough outline and the storyline. So whichever one you're more comfortable with doing, I'm just here showing you ideas and examples and ways you can generate a script. Now we need to generate the imagery, and we're going to use Leonardo AI for this. Okay, so next we actually can use ChatGPT to write the prompts for us to generate the images with Leonardo. So all you do is literally just underneath the story that you've pasted, you just ask ChatGPT, can you write a list of prompts to generate images for this in Leonardo AI? They all need to have humans or human-like mysterious figures and represent manipulation, psychology, and dark things. I will need 6 images in total, and it will give you a list of prompts that also goes along with the story narrative. So it's very handy, and then you're ready to open Leonardo AI and start pasting your prompts in there. Before we start generating, make sure to follow these settings. Select 2 or more on the left side. Next, select these image dimensions, just like on my screen. Now select elbow base right here. Now paste your first prompt that you get from ChatGPT, hit generate, and repeat that for all the prompts. And as you can see, it gave us something quite good, but it does some mistake. You can try more. This is just a tutorial, so I'm going to download all the images that I like. And now let's animate these pictures to take our video to the next level. We will use Runway for this purpose. So go to Runway, click on Image to Video right here. Increase this setting to 10. Next, click on Upload a file right here and upload the first picture. Wait until it's uploaded and click on Generate. Repeat the process for each image. Look at this. Now we have animated images within seconds, and now download them all. Just like that, our footage is done. So now it's time to generate the voiceover, and we're going to use 11 Labs for this purpose. So let me show you how. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. After that, go to Voices, then Explore to get a deep voice for your Shorts videos. Then click on Narrative and Story, and try to search for those who has the deep badge. Click on Add to Voice Lab, and click on Add Voice. Then Finish, and now go back to Speech and select the voice that you chose, and paste the text that ChatGPT gives us, and click on Generate. It will generate your voiceover within a few seconds. Now we are done with the voiceovers. Okay guys, stay with me. Now we have all the things we need to create a video. I'm going to use CapCut to edit these videos. It's free video editing software. You can simply download it into your mobile or computer, start a new project, click and upload all the files that you need, and drag and drop all of them to the timeline. And make sure to choose the format for YouTube Shorts, which is a 9:16 ratio. After that, delete all the silent parts of the voiceover, and I will speed it up real quick, okay? Now make sure to edit the size of the videos according to the video size. We should add some cool transitions. Go to Transition from the top menu and search for glitch transitions and add it. Simply drag it on the timeline and place it right between the 2 videos. Make sure to browse through all of the transitions and pick the ones you like. After that, add transitions in between all videos. After that, let's add some video effects as well. Go to Effects from the top menu and try these effects. There are hundreds of effects here. Just play with these and make your video edit more interesting. Adding different types of video effects will give the viewer a different vibe, so make sure to add more effects. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions, then select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and apply this template for it. Make sure the apply to all are selected. Edit these texts in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. After that, you can add background music to this video. I forgot to add it. Now we are done with the process of creating the videos as well. You can export this video from CapCut like this and make sure to export it with the same setting as me. That can help you get more views for your short. Make sure to upload at least 4 videos per day. Consistency is one of the key elements to success on YouTube. And also don't forget to follow the channel if you liked it. I will see you in the next video. Now let's see what we got.
Directing your gaze towards someone's lips during a conversation can convey genuine interest, while focusing on their forehead might create a sense of intimidation. It's crucial to be mindful of the non-verbal cues you're sending. When seeking to deceive someone rather than offering a direct apology, consider incorporating a slightly embarrassing personal detail. This subtle tactic may divert attention and make the lie more convincing. Instead of apologizing when faced with a mistake or delay, express gratitude for the other person's patience. This not only acknowledges the error, but also shifts the focus to their understanding and cooperation. When confronted with a difficult decision, flipping a coin can help,